In this video, we'll review the QL Player software download and activation process. To download a new copy of the QL Player software, open a web browser on the device you wish to use and log in to QL Server as you would from your own PC. Next, hover your mouse cursor on the main menu gear icon and move to Player Management. Move your cursor over to Download QL Player and pick the version you require. For Navori QL sticks, select Android and then Generic Player. Other options are for Windows PCs, Samsung Tizen, or you can select from a growing list of Android system-on-chip displays. Pick the version that matches your hardware and the QL Player installer will be downloaded to your device. It's important to note the software installation and activation process will vary slightly depending on the type of hardware and if you use QL Cloud or on-premise. For Windows PCs and QL Sticks Android devices, download the software, launch the installer, and follow the instructions. There are two types of activation methods available. The Express activation requires your QL login name and password only. You are then shown an available license to select. Once the license has been assigned to this PC, it can't be used on another device unless you reset the license in the Content Manager. The Advanced activation requires you to enter additional information, such as the QL server URL or IP address and the QL Player license serial number. Once the installation is completed, the PC or device will automatically reboot and QL Player will launch. The screen will show the default media content until you publish an update to the player. After you log into QL Server, you should notice the player's status indicator turning blue, indicating it's communicating with the server. It's now ready to receive its programming. Samsung Tizen, LG WebOS, and other system-on-chip hardware have slightly different installation steps. We suggest you check out the Navori support website for your specific hardware instructions. This concludes our review of the QL Player software installation. Be sure to visit www.navori.com for more information.